we really had
You are late.
Indeed.
1 hour. You are 1 hour late.
Indeed.
You are
and yes, why am I late? Can be. Okay, let's drop it. Let's drop. Okay. Professor, Professor, man. Professor, ngangisathuthwa namakhamera awu-3. Say, what the fuck going on? Now, man. Say, let's not waste any time. I've wasted enough time. Ngixoxeni ngobozami laphayana. Man, yonke
like for 1 hour working for it. 1 hour.
Phela manje kuneperiod yokujabula lapha ngithandana ngoloko wamlana bona lona. Ngithi khaqwa ngibona lona le manje bungenza zonke lobo boshesha weshe lo. Kodwa ke asikhulume ukubalekile
lapha. Okay, kwenzakalani? What is happening?
So
we are back at the inside.
We rolling now. So what happened is
like ngibona ibhizi yamaphoyisa.
Ibhizi yamaphoyisa mfethu bangelwa ukuthi kushone uzakwethu oclose kakhulu nami.
Mina bese ngisothi Kudutshulwe wena.
Hayi bo bhuti. And futhi it was maybe it could have been me because umfowethu uDutshuliwe umfowethu sinobudlelwane kakhulu naye. Umfowethu owayangigada ngiqala ukuboshwa. U-Absa. U-Absa is my bra mfethu for a very long time, my brother. U-Absa ngathini ngobuthisha balaphana eWestfield nanokushayeleka kwenombolo because njengoba ngiyi-26 gangsterism nje he introduced me to gangsterism uyena owangakhela indawo yokuthi ngiyigade abantu bane-wrong understanding ngenombolo yabo and stuff ukuthi hey ubotseni and stuff. No my bra i-purpose yenombolo even back in the day inombolo kwakukuthi kweqiselwa amabhunu in order to overcome apartheid yabo lona izwakeke ukuthi kwenzakalani u-Absa.
Okay, yazi
athi
bafo hlama ungamusho ngamagama akhange impela ukuze nomndeni wakho usizakala ngoba umuntu odutshulelwa nje esigangeni eyiphara umndeni wakho ungagcina ungazanga amagama akho.
Unfortunately amagama aqondile angeke ngize ngikhuluma amanga kulokho uyabona lonto leyo because insizwa eyiphila impilo yabona lonto futhi engakufihli lokho so wala Chester Ville yena unalokho uAbsa uyena oyi well known then his real name so ingakho ngagcinanga ngize ngithi wemfowethu umfoka abani kahle because yabona umuntu okhulele lokishini nawe une virgin ubukhaya wena uyabona so ngicela sisebenzisene uAbsa so he's my bra very much and he invited me because nami mfethu nami ngasebenza ngokuthatha ngesinxele ngengiqamba amanga ngikho that so much honest nami ngike ngawacommit ama crimes yes of which angizange ngiwajezele mina asazi nokuba genius noma yini yabona lonto kodwa ke ngasingiyongiphulunyuka
ubuwenzani wena
esenza into ekuthiwa i-robots sidayo idabuka kwayidabuka Pine Sound idatshulwa izazi zakhona eMpumalanga esisebenza nazo ngohlelo langaphansi kwetshe ngaphansi kwetshe Westfield so uAbsa indoda yangishayela kakhulu into efana nalezo yangicelisa imashi yangitshela ukuthi indaba zokuthi kumele nje nalidawa yakhe usahleli usagqoke isicathulo esibiza kakhulu for umuntu ohlala emgaqweni cela ukuthi sishwe sithole lo 800 bese kanti mina uEnrico yami wathi hey lalela la desa le nto lena uthengole wazongisukela wena mfethu ngangilibele mina ngiphelisana nawe yebo usagqoka into ebiza nga nale jacket ngasiqoqa jacket edizini mfethu azongijwayela wena mampintsha mfethu and then
kuyadlalwa la
and then ngabona ukuthi I'm in the streets manje sengiwile phansi le ndoda yangithatha ithi mina ake nsizwa akithi angithi kutshenile ukuthi kuphanthwa kanjani ngithi hey ubusashilo bese ngakabona athi siyathatha ngesinxele ukuthatha kwethu ngesinxeleke asinikezwe siyayithathela ngoba kuyashesha kanjalo njengoba bona besindwa ama-cardboards kanjena of which ngingazi ukuthi one day I could end up with collecting boxes yabo. And my bra wangisiza then because I never had no one, I never had much yabo. And nganginale yanto yokuthi umndeni understand yabo lonto leyo at some point vele akekho umzali onga-understand ukuthi indodana yami iphuma ama-drugs, hell no. Yabo le nto lo muntu ekuthanda ukukhulisa. So wena uyazama ukuthi mina all my time I invested in you guys. I was making you happy. With you not realizing am I happy? I never even enjoyed my childhood. Of which I'm a viewer, so they mustn't forget one of those things because maybe my bride is dead. In despite of into enganakwanga ekhaya. That was one of the most powerful listeners. Me, I like to talk. In despite of everything, I like to educate. And when ukuthi athi awusho social la manje lo line we TikTok yini ngoba iTikTok siyazile isiswayo mina ngalecha TikTok app where you tick and talk. I want to know whatever you want to say and then you post it there. Little page there. So I'm a viewers nje abantu abaningi yini ama viewers. Yabona nto le then never cared. Yabo like indlela athatheke ngayo bese insizwa lisidume kakhulu ngokuthatha ngesinxele and he always gets away with it. He's caster. He's caster, like caster. So, Tangi, Misa put me young generals. If it's one palm said, Lento, which you call Kamakal Postcard. You are composing this sense. You are composing a bona, go get away and Recovero, diesel jeans, jacket, diesel jackets. A woman tells a uncle about it now. Akuvayizisa ngenza ukuthi ubonze usemgaqweni washaya futhi inhlamvu for example sokumbula iJ5 ayifika lapha neJ1 babefika bafikela wena uJ series bedayiswa yithini buka manje usugawude kanjani usuqoqa amakhalipoti kanti mina my brother ikhalipoti is the most maybe price thing that ever happened to me yesterday and taught me a lot of things. Nothing will come easy. And into eyenza ukuthi ngiqhelela nekakhulu naye ngihlehle nje empilweni nasepoint ukuthini ukuthi shower angizange ngijeze like ukuboshwa no ngajeza ukuthi usangikhumbula nami ngiyakukhumbula that's how ngajeza ngajezela izono zami wathi mfethu usangibona manje and futhi asingekuze ubelieve because like 2 years after Inkunzi ngayibamba for 2 years ngavala kuyona ngakaze futhi comments bombs sisaqhuma yabona into ngisindela nje ngongaleka yabona umdali yabona into le ngakaze mfethu ngize ngishawe ngakaze ngisale aroundini ngakaze ngiboshwe ngisho kuboshwa bafo mina uqala umboshwe ngiboshelwa iwunga yes ila khona ke ngathatha khona ucinga ungafonela ekhaya mina for that particular 2 years impilo yami yayisimple ngiyavuka ngishaya inhlamvu ngikhipha i-okapi yami ngiyakujentlalela ke siswami umunye kade simgwazi ibele ngakho kwenza kanje ucela ukuthi ungihande over i-wedding ring yakho unginikeze ifoni unginikeze no-wallet easy and calm ngoba noma ngasuba ngumsindi magumede lo lapha etafuleni ubaba umsimangi lo ngithi baba umsimangi ninjani sikhona Nkosi yami ngiyakwayinda lapho yabona lento le akuyena umsimangi lo ngithi bonke labantu bahangaza umgaqo wami lo ngiyahliphisa la wena uphethe izinto zami sicela ukuthi ungihende zona over ungayilingi uzama ukwenza isimo ngoba nomunye ngimkhwazihlo izolo ebusuku lo webelwa namhlanje kuseni ngiyacela ukuthi
uyasebenza
ngicela ukuthi singaphazamisani bengumaster ke ekudlaliseni izimpahla yona into abengincanyelwa yona kakhulu wabisesho ukuthi intelligent lentana le without ukuthi ngize ngithathe into ezo track attention uziminde ngesathi ifoni yami yekele hayi yenziwa lento le mina bengabaleki mangenza ubugebengu no ngizathola
naye
kamnandi nje nge-approach yabo lento le mina yona into engiyighosti kakhulu ngayo ngiyazazi ukuthi when it comes into professor nawe wangilalela and then ngifele yabona lento ngighost nje mfethu ngighost ngizidlulana amandla esilwane la walizwa nawe igama lamkhulu amandla esilwane
futhi mawukwazi ukuthi uconvince umuntu enze lento oyifunayo futhi mangathona uconvince abantu ukuze beshintshe impilo zabo ingadla amaningi
me bra like abafowethu sengiba yazi ukuthi ngaphatheka grand ukubona ukuthi ayibo sengisize amajita like over 20 emaskandi of which mina ngisaphema khona of which mina ngisakholela ukuthi mina mina do believe ukuthi I do have to wish you well in order that wellness could come to me. Yabo lon. Ngina lo nkolelo that's how ukwama ngikholisa kanjalo. Yabo lon nto that's why his son was some umama ongizalayo ubaba ongizalayo ukuthi mfisela umunye umuntu ukuthi mfisela umunye umuntu kusaphuma uzophuma. Yazi ukuthi end up ngisho izinto ezi more motivational ngimotivate ngami ukuthi my bra minimum mhlawumbe sengayiyeka more than 30 times kuyikona ukuthi I never see ukuthi excel this thing with the drug that if I haven't dealt with my reason of me being in the drug I'll never come out of the drug. Me, I've dealt with that demon. I could call it a demon. Umsuka, because it was all about the anger of not being understood as an individual. That I'm a grown up. As I'm a grown up, but uneka bengazeka engizenzayo manje.
Like njengokuthiwa nje hey uma uqala utshwala usumdala ugumela
yonke lonto leyo uyabona into amantombazana usumdala. That's why we got hated so bad. That's why drug laba yi friend. That's why uyabona into leyo. How come when you just gonna say hey this thing that was there for me
futhi lento njengani wena uma uthola ukuhlukumezeka othandweni okokuqala wayeyidakamizweni kunomuntu othi mayeqala ukuhlukumeza akathatha isibhamu adubula umuntu yabo nje mina oba sengangahlukumezeka sengabe ichilo uma ngathiwa ngihlukumezeka manje ngikhipha isibhamu ngidubula umuntu une experience yabo yenza ngimncane
ngine experience kakhulu mfethu uyabona ke lento ngishoyo
ukuthi wena
how you deals with this and then wena usuwenza sure ukuthi njengoba mina sengihlangane no professor ukuthi omunye umuntu angabe sadila nenkinga yakhe ngendlela mina ngadila ngayo because mina ngadila nayo ngama drugs no ukhona abantu abafana nogcwabe abantu abakujabulela ukuthi babone umuntu enza kahle babone omunye umuntu ethibeka ngalokho but with that sina with the program iyonke ukuthi wena ukwazi ngosiyamthemba Valeni usiyamthemba Valeni doesn't care about being in front of the camera. What matters is that what is he gonna say that might help another youngster, that might help a future of our country. He mustn't fall to drugs the way I felt. He mustn't like smoke them at all because there's nothing good out of this. Even though I would say mina because ingibambezelile into eningi I have
nanokuthi umuntu maye ehlangana nenkinga enjengale ohlangane nayo wena azi ukuthi ufana noyise wathatha lendlela ukuphi njengamanje semgaqweni uprofessor wathatha isibhamu dubula umuntu athandana naye ukuphosa ejele
yayibona into leyo
umuntu akwazi ukubalansisa understand lolu hlelo lokufundisa abantu hayi ngeyidakamizwa kuphela ziningi izinto
ezenzakala because asikhulumi ngeyidakamizwa kuphela futhi nami ngikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka empilweni nami as a whole uyabona into leyo uthola ukuthi yazi ukuthi umuntu ube ngapha imidakamizwa usekwazi ukuthi asa advise kafana noyise ngotshwala ukuthi uyabona into leyo la ngidecide khona ukuthi no let me just ngiyeke iplug ngivele ngiyeke iplug ngiyeke no Melissa uyabona into and just smoke because I thought smoking there are one people who don't judge abona ama addicts those are like angazi ngathi like ama natural made people when it comes into psychologist and counseling me bra can counsel you with the problem I have. And then I am motivating you about me.
Angithi suka lapha ekutheni nika leyo nto ubhlungu besicathulo buziwa yilona umuntu asigqokile. Ungasibona sisihle wena kanti yena siyampetha. So yena umuntu ongakutshela kahle ngesicathulo asigqokile ukuthi hey lesicathulo esigqokile ungasiboni sisihle.
Ngibekezela ngiyangaso interview.
Ungasiboni ngesiphorisha nje usuku nosuku silokhu sidinga ukuthi ngisiphorisha kodwa mina siyangishisa. Yena umuntu ongakwazi ukutshela kahle ngaso so bafo nina ninjani nina ngoba like Kudutshulwe umngani wakho obuclose naye
and invite khona besingakushongo ubethi asiye aroundini ngamtshela ukuthi bro ngeke ngiphumelele because I've dealt with that life, I've dealt with myself because benginokubuye ngithemtheke yabona into le mhlawumbe once maybe December time maybe yabona into le like in nama event amakhulu spring fiesta yabona into le mfethu njengakulesi siphuma kusona yabona into le ngeke ngize ngibe mina ngiyisoni mfethu yabona into le nje as much as ngiyisoni ngiyazama ukuthi uyiqoqe because ngumfana okhulele ku Sunday school lokho singakukhohlwa angeke ngize ngiyibehave so komdlwembe that's the first because I was never raised as umdlwembe yabo lonto le we are mostly church paradise I'm not a para I'm a panther.
Okay yazini abantu into futhi enye abayishoyo bathi indlela bebekade bebuka ngayo amaphara noma abantu abaseyidakamizweni noma abantu abahlala emgaqweni bathi njengamanje since bekulolu hlelo isihlukile indlela abanibuka ngayo manje
because we are the most intelligent people my bro we are like we always experience all the crazy things that happens I got stabbed live swing ngilalele la eSt George
ngisathi ngizokubuza ukuthi yalalela yathina sixuba ukudla thina ayikho impendulo esayikhuluma esayiqeda uba futhi ubekade recruitile awuqala usiqedele lapho ngoba yena efike edubuleke eshona nje
before when he recruited me empilweni estrati and one adjustisa from ukuhlala endlini getting to a point of knowing ukulala phambi kwesitolo yabo lonto le ending up that store is like my shelter to lean on. You don't fuck around in front of that store because you're fucking around in my house. You check all of those things. He taught me how to protect myself. Just ukuthi ngabe nomusa akulu abozonke lezo zinto. And then angifundisa ukuthi ngibe nesibindi, protect myself, protect my things. All of this I'm getting in Westfield prison. I'm at 26 gangsterism now,
Yeah.
26 gangsterism
now. Inombolo ithola ngaphandle noma uyithola ngaphakathi?
Ngiyithola ngaphakathi but njengoba ngiyithola ngaphakathi la emnyango bengiyona.
Ihlathi.
Ngemashi. Ukuhamba yabo lonto leyo. Emashini mina ngile out to 10 over 10. Ngile liphara kuthiwa liyinkabi. Yabo lonto because
awuhlukanise
iphara eliyinkabi iphara elingcwele iphara elikwaziyo ukuthi mina angiyikhulumi lezinto zosalusi inombolo emphakathini because ngayikhuluma kakhulu so one thing that happened uma ngilimala la ngayitshena ukuthi ngathi ngagwazwa ngilele ngigwazwa umuntu ngikwaza ngilele isecurity ngikwaza ngilele isecurity elinokungibona lisebenza kulomgaqo engilala kuona yabo bengilala la eSt George's ku backyard yaseMadiba iRes so mfethu inkabi ebinakho ukuthi mina sikhulume nje isiZulu nayo yabona into le iyathuka futhi ukuthi usithatha phezulu isiqine kanje ngathi ngamfowethu nguthisha washo sesiZulu uyikona ukuthi umuntu umebona abafethu abahlala emgaqweni uyayitshela ukuthi umekhuluma inombolo usuke ebalansisa mostly and futhi angeke ngize ngithi kuyibail abantu abaningi kodwa uAbsa wangitshela into wathi inombolo yasejele ihawu lokuzivikela kephi ejele.
Yeah.
Inombolo kona konke kushoyo ithule sokuqala hlonipho.
Yeah. Hlanzeko.
Yeah. Even though we do lack than hlanzeko parts, but we mustn't forget the respecting because inhlonipho iphethe konke. That's why noma ngavayisa for that 3 days, but I mustn't like so the long without changing that set enough. No.
Yeah.
About on the so umfowethu uma so ngabuyelwa yilokho uma umfowethu shuthi kwenzakala la kudlula abafowethu engangibamba nabo inkunzi amajidami bathi awu yes London awu PIG yabo ngoba ma wonke amagama lawa abafisa abakhulu abaye PIG Notorious yabona nto leyo amagama egebengu zakudala yizidudla yabona abantu abadumile abafe uMampintshi ufika manje ngaku PIG through all that time because I was more of like yabo njengoba ngizalwa yabona nto leyo isazi yabona nto leyo umalume wami uyisigebengu umfowethu ozalwa umamkhulu umJ cousin wami uyisigebengu so ubhigi waflowa kamnandi nami because I was more close nalabo bantu ekukhuleni kwami yabo umalume wami uNtebuwo yabona nto leyo nomfowethu umJ uJabulani so manje isilengi senombolo it was more in my tongue. That's why ngitshela ukuthi ngangayona inombolo when I was on the outside ngangiyinombolo but ngingayona
ungashayelile
ngiyabona nto leyo ngikwazi futhi ukuthi ngifraud yabona nto ngakhanda obani yabona nto ngithi nazipho yabona nto ngibuza zipho ucwali efethu yini uphikisa lezi zinto zangikhanda kahle uphikisa inombolo kubola yabona mina I was more confident even though I'm doing something wrong but I'm gonna like be way too confident isn't like this thing is right and then it's no man ngeke sabe confident kanje that's how I win most of the time bro that's why akekho umuntu uma wami amvume njengami when it comes into this manipulative parts and ngiyakubonga lokho ukuthi ngasheshe ngakhuzeka kona uma siya sebengishayeleke labafowethu yakhumula ngicela ukuthi ngaba njengoba ngikwazwa lenkabi ngikwazela ukuthi ngathi ayikho ngaphandle yazi kanjani yena ukwazi kwakho ayikho ngaphandle usuke echaza ukuthi njengoba labafethu yena ebabona yena shuthi aba-escorta labantu ababoni bona ukuthi basebenzisa lo mgaqo St George and lo msaka ugada la into ebasela lo mjidi ukuthi mina ngoba ngowasemakhaya i-security ngoba ngowasolunti mina ngangifunde enkandla sikhuluma into isizulu esifanayo nangizila lo mjidi kodwa mina ngikunotice lokho ukuthi hey yazi akekho right namhlanje kanti uthi usuka abanjwe ngalo and yes kuzodlula lamajidi ambambile awasamboni wona ulapha mkwethu awasamboni wona bathi awashintsha njani shuthi ushintsha njani ubamba yena ngenye indlela kunawo awukho line ongaphandle la nami ngiulayini la nomfowethu lona abafowethu sengiyothi manje nami makudabuka line ongaphandle ngiyangibamba kodwa abafethu ukuthi angadlaliseleki sinoma yena yazi ubone ngathi I'm playing him for a fool yabona ngamdayisa and then
usuzenza umuntu onayo
ongazathi eksengiyam introducer uyabona into leyo kanti mina vele ngimshayile before of which ilento yayisho yona ukuthi yazi ukuthi siya uzokwehlelwa intembi mfana wami yazi kwehlelela ngayiphi inombolo ngenombolo ukuthi you've been playing lento yakho ngiyakwazi wena ukuthi uyighost mfana wami ngiyakwazi uma ngingakulalela simo sami nami ngonyoko ngithanda I will end up giving you more in this part of what I know what you gonna do with this money and stuff give me no kuleka letting your order and stuff and all of that because thando lomzali yabo what's it now ulindele ukuthi there will be a time la uzochesela khona into ongayazi ngoba umuntu ekucabangela ukuthi uhlakaniphe kakhulu wena ulayithe kakhulu uyayibona lonto le ubungayenza lento kanti yazi ukuthi awukho kuleyo nto ngampela innocent so by the time lo mjida lona ahamba yongiphuzela uyangisaba lo mjida Ntswemba wakusho futhi lokho uyangisaba Ntswemba ahamba yongiphuzela buye ngiphahlaze ngebhodlela ngivele lingigwebhe ucabanga yena ubethi uzongiphahlaza ngebhodlela bese angitshena yonke lento ade ufuna ukutshena angiphahlaza ngebhodlela lingigwebhe by the time ngivuka bro wami meke ngabona igazi I just lose it me bro and I know that I'm a beast meke ngaphasa into ecithile that's why umese ngawuphasi bafo umese ngusebenzisa kakhulu umese bengusebenzisa mina ukuthi ngilanda uaccuse eseyigwegweni yabo ukuthi uzobamba umfowethu especially yena lo mjida umfowethu oshonile wapsa into ebimenza beclose kakhulu nami ukuthi bengamshiyi umfowethu uma ngenza naye noma yini bro wami especially icala yazi mekwasala wena ngizojika mina ngitshene dawo nginefoko fasijikeni asijikeni so enjoy kanjani le mali sazi ukuthi ufile zakwethu lapho ngingahleni kuba izinjani sambe somfela sifeni sonke mina ngiphila impilo yami to the fullest ngiphila impilo yami engazathi ngijive kwama last engazathi there's no tomorrow cause benga understand indaba ukuthi understand ukuthi I'm ethics I'm no longer a teacher sengusikhotheni it was all like a bad dream ngimina ukuthi no I'm just gonna wake up and no sengibuyile cela ukubuyela cela ngidlulisele certificate zami ngidlulisele nesoti yami cela ungiboleke my chalkboard my duster and ninginikeza abafundi bami and let's begin the day. No, it doesn't work like that. There's the roster, the friends, the friend
abasibanga nomsindo la
and if uma ngikwazeka kuzongena lo nyaka
kanti ukwazi izolo
ngakwazwa sizoqala lo nyaka lo uqala nje lo nyaka yabo lapho senginonyaka ngiphatha ngekhalibhot la ngave ngahleka khona ngathi mina should akunye ukufela izona zami lokho because nami I've been getting money manipulative wise yabona nje le ngiyayithanda ke into ukudlalisa ubuhlakani bami yabona nje ngiyayithanda i-challenge yabo most of the things bezenzeka uthola ukuthi ngitshena ukuthi I'm just joking I'm gonna return it back and then bese ngimtshena ukuthi ngizibukela yazi ukuthi umuntu usengivedana ebuka ukuthi umuntu usevela wanginika ifoni yakhe nowadays ngimtshela ukuthi is safe mazila ngiyela avele ethe ubastard asambeni yabona into leso angengicamba manga it was the most coolest guy ubeka eceleni into ecijile ubeka eceleni zonke inkinga zomhlaba and then ube free
so manje amajita uthola kanjani ukuthi ukugwaza la majita akho
ukuthi ngikwazwa mina
like ngoba ekushaya ngebhodlela la ukuthi ukushayela ukuthi ubanjwe amajita akhe Inkunzi wena ukuthola
akubona ngisho amajita abafethu abangaziyo laba abafethu sisinokuqondana nabo abafethu ukuthi besikwi division eyodwa uyabona lonto leyo emgaqweni ke sonke sabafethu all bras even if ngidlula uthola ukuthi bayatlaswa yini mangibona abantu basebenzela qabule planet nge4 seconds azisijwayela kamina nobani nayibona lonto leyo nengxeni nanchaya master government nina nobani uyabona lonto leyo so that's how ukhavana kwethu bekukanjalo so vele kuwena uzothi sifanga mvunye bawasana laba vele lo wangithuphasa koza kwabo ukuthi
bangishaya so manje agcina iphethe ngekuthini mase
kuphahla njengoba ngiphahlaza ngibona igazi and then I just lost it yabo nje bangiphanda ngikalapha ukukalapha ngokuxoxa ucosha amakhalibhot and stuff yabo ngilala wabe ku December time yabo ngilale eduzane Bricklefield kuza Brickleton wa Brickleton res eseduzana kwemadiba.
Yeah.
So imini obekhipha imigqoma lapho mostly ngo December time yabo. So my bra ngilele la eceleni kwekhanda lami njengoba ngiphahlaza iyodwa into efikayo ukuthi ngemesa ngisawuphathi angeke ngiphahlaza isitha lesi. One thing that comes into your mind umuntu okuhlasela ulele bra wami yakusaba umuntu okuhlasela ulele akufisela okuhle bezokuqeda ngawo ngingena paper bag wami namabhodlela ami lamabhodlela ama u40 bani awu48 shothi 48 rand wami lo wayizwa lonto ulo 48 rand ngizothatha usuphela lawo uthi wazongikhandela le drawing engiyifunayo ngavela ngakwazi nje abeli bafu azi amanxa bengamshayisa wona mina mfethu ngislimaka. That's why I always laugh. That's why around mina bafo angifuni isiphazamiseke ecwaba angifuni inkabe esinyathelayo even ngisho usaphuza bro ngitshela ukuthi le dawa ngiyigqokile mngana nami iyabiza uzonginyathela bese iyageja anginendaba ukuthi niyakhe iyabiza le yami iyabiza ngokwephakethe lami mfethu ngokwephakethe lami nangoku-understand isimo sami awazi ngiyisafe lesikhathi singakanani kumele singaphazamisana.
Bathi umuntu ohleka kakhulu uhleka wakhe engangokucasuka kwakhe.
My brother, that is me. Babu wami ke lo.
Inhliziyo emhlophe yashesha umngcwabo.
Babu wami loyo.
Bathi inhliziyo emhlophe yashesha umngcwabo.
Ebafo. Mina ngiyahleka ngokuthi umuntu lo esengiphazamisile uyinto nesisindo kucwabe. Pepra I'll continue to laugh. Wena kwada njengocwabo yabona ukuthi inkabi yami nginenkinga yabona mase ngizoba izandla zami ngathi singa yabona. So by the time ngithi mina uyazwe ukuthi inkabi yami iyafisa ukumthatha ngodalmete manje ngiyibona ukuthi ngiyafisa ngempela kangangokuthi wakhula insizwa zingekho zaziyobuka iWorld Cup ngiyibona lonto ngoba phela sina sizukulwane se-World Cup uyayibona lonto leyo mfethu si-19th century uyayibona. So manje ukukhula kwethu bese so sizinkabe thanda ukuqina ngeyikhathi zama-World Cup bese sizinsizwa singenele emsizweni ngo-2010 World Cup yena uyasala yena wethu wesha ayizwa lonto leyo. So lo mfethu bafo ngamnikeza nje only 6 holes of the best. By the time he collapsed and ewa ngovuka qhamuka umeshento wami umeshento wami mampinjo ya bleed. That's a Tanzania nigga. I wouldn't say his name because we're running out life. And then he said, Pinjo, we are paid. And he striker force. Everything I do ngai masteration. Even nangawudoti nangawudoti imali engizuza wona. Ibiyazi bivaleke igap enkunzi. Hey, azikodwa ngithenga ngimangimtsheno after 3 days ago wazi uyahlanya wena. Lo usindo amavukuvuku la ngathi mina bafo. Hlapa amavukuvuku wona ngcono ngiyafisa futhi macaleni ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uyibone lento ngalendlela yami.
Uyo lo busathi uzomletha la.
Yena lo nebengifisa ukuthi abone insizwe efana nocwabe. Unfortunately ke lokho wangakwazi ukuthi akuthole. Abantu abalimele ngokufulathela kwale yansizwa akuwona amabhaya kuphela abathengi bempahla yebiwe cha. Kodwa njengabafowabo silahlekelwe.
Futhi ke isizwe ke siwinile isizwe ngokulahleka kwakhe ngoba bathi ukuwa kwesigebengu khona ukuvusa ilokishi ngoba manje bonke abantu laba abebathathela bazothi ukuphumula kancane uyaphunga ukumthwala.
I wouldn't say that much because nami I've been in that division. Who am I to judge? Because me, I'm so much of a sinner and I am still pleasing the Lord and is umlilo wakhe ngaphezu kwami. Ngeke ngize ngithi ukufa ukamfowethu there's something to celebrate. Kodwa kulabo abathathele kangesinxele yobe bafowethu the addiction yona yanithathela kwangayena umfowethu, because I know that there's umuntu before every wrong doing osukuyenza usuke bukhona uNkulunkulu kwena, kodwa you ignore that part nyokubusathana
usumpushwa
like ubaba wami uthi wayengathi in everything you do khona umngcwele nobusathana,
like ngoba abantu befaka ngaka ngale abafayo uthi umuntu kusufile mhlawumbe idakamizwa, mhlawumbe umunye ubegula engasayi idle treatment, abantu abadutshulwayo, abantu sebegwazene. Ukuphila kwi-environment enjalo uzazi kunekhaya ongafika uhlale khona ngokuthula, ube safe, ungayiboni nalezi zinto.
The thing is uthola ukuthi ikhaya li understand the parts yokuthi wena usizo uthola ukuthi yazi sini enye ezinye izinto zake zangishaya usizo luyalethwa uthola ukuthi abazali baliletha ngane na ngalento yokuthi angeke ngibe nengane mina, ngeke ngibe nelunga lomndeni wami lolala emgaqweni. There's this pride, and every mother has it, every father has it. So I'm gonna do by all means son ukuthi buyele ekhaya. Aren't you gonna do by all means know the problem that God sent me out of home? That's where the problem is.
I think umsebenzi wama rehab lo, because abazali kunabantu abayifundele le nto leyo ukuthi baze kabanzi ukuthi na umuntu.
And the more you get the professional help is the more you deal with ukudela isidakamizwa. You don't dela, you don't like say hey sengideli look them. No, it's the wrong that you have done by the drug that makes you say it's enough now. That makes me said Professor Mfonosis, Professor Ngcelu, because I'm afraid now to go back to my family because they've been giving me the help they've been giving me while the time wasn't right and the time right, yet you are pushing, and when you're pushing me I feel like getting pain and in understand like ngoba ngiyanitshela ukuthi ezinye zezinto that God sent me kulento see you guys
kodwa ngokuthanda hayi ngoba
bengaqondile nabo uyayibona lonto le they were born protects but don't be over, because that will make your son, your daughter, your loved one, your that certain beloved person of yours, chase them away, because when you are pulling the strings so muchebonon lokho ithi uma ukwenza ask around that's why professional organization ukuthi
bewuthi abazali befunda ukuthi ingane ikhuliswa kanjani kade kanje, like ngiyengibona abelungu bayigade ingane zabo but nabo bakhona idakamizweni ngeke ngizenqamba manje, kodwa kunalento ukuthi umlungu ukuthi ingane yakhe ithathwa imoto ekseni esikoleni ilande ntambama ayisitholi isikhathi sabangane, ayisitholi isikhathi soku-explora, nisho njalo nemfundo yethu explore. Uthothi ngama weekend bayayithatha ingane baya naze beach bebizwa nje bengabazali befike beyiyeke zidlale
zibe nje nalo whole day be free. That's the thing. That's me. I never got exposed to. My father was so freaking jealous about me. I was like the only son. I was the only son who was like kulele pamwako baba. Ubaba indoda semakhaya
Yeah.
Makhosikazi akhe lawa nkosikazi wakhe nje lo uNdlunkulu oqala babe sekhaya abafowethu batholakala bashiye nomama bashiye nogogo ekhaya hamba eGoli usebenza yayibona lonto le.
Yeah.
So with him seeing ukuthi you would have failed me mangase kube khona into wrong eyenzakalayo because vele uyabona lonto.
Yeah.
Kunalokho yabo uma unabafowethu abazalwa ngaphandle yabona lonto le unomama umdala useshonile kunalento ukuthi yabona lonto unothando olukhulu. So he was trying to equalize that even though ethi lengane mfethu yaphikeka ihlule esithini sikamama wayo and stuff yabo yonke lonto leyo.
Yeah.
Ngenxa yani jealousy yomndeni uyazi. So linsizwa bophezela lokho ngakwazi ukuthi ngitshene ukuthi how he actually feels.
Yeah.
The nigga never told me he loved me. I can expect a closer man to say I love you. Nangizando nyoko mina nginazi wena ufana nesipedi la ubemva kwesicapho obusebenze ngelinye ilanga ngitawunto enkulu. So me I got to understand the girl because even no matter how serious I always find something to laugh.
Yeah.
In whatever he's saying because that is his aim.
Yazi baye bethini abantu bathi ingane ekhuliswe ngothando iba nothando nayo.
That's me.
Ukuthi ingane ekhuliswe ngandlela thizeni nayo
izoba kanjalo. Umkhuliswe ngomoya omona nongabafisela umuntu okuhle izoba kanjalo.
Futhi kahle as parents siyatshala kubantwana bethu. Lento oyitshalayo it's sad ngoba phela nakho nogcinele ngapho ohlangothini lomhlaba kodwa yena ngicabanga ukuthi
kodwa imfundiso zakhe ngikwazi ukuyishare.
Ngibuzile ukuthi le environment eniphila kuyona kuthini kwena njengesazi njengomuntu futhi ohlakaniphile abantu bayafala lapha yonke lento.
I-environment esiphila kuyona ayikho right.
Ngenzela ukuthi umuntu ongakangena ejabule yini afuna ukuyiva.
In such a way ukuthi ugovernment lo abantu abethembele kuyena.
Yeah.
It's making a hell lot of freaking money out of a shit. That's why I'm calling it a shit because the mostly leaders who are supposed to be like securing and protecting the future are the ones who are selling it. By letting the drug motherfuckers like it drug my price killing the hell out of daily kuna umuntu ofaya maskandi daily bese uyayibuza ukuthi la kulela eThekwini lela around i-central what's happening in Point what's happening in the Cape what's happening in Joe's Brawami like drug is finishing isizwe sethu as uZulu as amaXhosa as abantu abamnyama. And my bra there's this thing with praying one answer is all. We need to like educate people more, give them strength, make sure that like say you deal with your weakness leyo leso sihlobo sakho normal wenze sure ukuthi my bra if you still have him next to you make sure that his feelings matters in order for yena ukuthi angaphumi ayosika lento engekho la ekhaya ukuthi by the way how are you how do you feel about it yabo sina we growing up our points were never like that much of a concern uyingane lo uzozwa ukuthi kwenzakalani uzozwa thina uyayibona.
Yeah.
So that is big. That is big because you don't know how I feel about it. Wena lento ofuna ngiyoyenza lento ofuna mina ngibe yona wena bese uthi ngizo-adjusta ngiyingane vele. Can you imagine mase sengithola ithuba lokuba yi-adult ukuthi kwayi wena haze ngikuphinde ube yi-adult kimina mhlawumbe. Can you imagine if wena ubuthi uyingane vele and then he smokes drugs he become an adult ukhulela estradini ukhulela drugging cause vele ubehleze ebukeka njengengane la ekhaya. Ngiyayibona lonto umbono wakho ungabalekile la ekhaya. Ngitshena izinto mina esithatheka kancane yenza umuntu ashiya ifutha ngicamela ukudla emqomeni ngoba emqomeni is free. There's not much of this pressure.
Like ke wena njengomuntu
mina ngasho ukuthi mfethu i-environment mfethu iyona nto ekumele iprotectwe kakhulu because okay we have dealt with the parts ukuthi ngeke sisakwenza lutho abantu bokufika bafikile mfethu they are here to stay because they are like paying my brother they can buy everything yabo. Can buy innocence. I can even buy justice. So we're not talking about that, Tina, we're talking about our environment, of which I am that generation who got fucked by the environment, my bro.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if the environment didn't have a wunga? I would have still been a teacher. I was maybe gonna deal with my situation in the more lighter way.
Yeah.
So, in this part of the environment, but don't be that pushy. Don't be a heavy load. Don't think about it. Don't be selfish just because you're an adult. Give that loved one of yours a chance to explore, but not to explore much.
Ayidle ngentambo
Kuphela lokho esikushoyo ukuthi ngoba impilo angeke sikushintshe ukuthi isizwe sikanje kodwa singazivikela. Mina ngiyakholelwa ukuthi singazivikela uma insizwe ifana nani cwabe kayihlandla
manje
ninikela bafowethu ekuthenini nezwe imbono
inkingi sibabili sibathathu and into eyingozi leyo angazi ngenza njani ukuthi
angazi futhi namuthi singakuthola kanjani into. I wish nami inkinga yami le besobabane ngoba ube inkinga yami addiction sisi sekuyona if ababukelayo babe nohlonze kulento esizamayo bafowethu asinako ukutheni kodwa ngakujabulela mina ukuthi
yazi fana
noyisizwe abantu abaningi bethu bafuthi ukuthi abantu bangangeni kulento ngendlela engangena ngayo kuyona nomunye athola ukusizakala kuloko esisuke sikhuluma lapha mfethu ngoba nginenkolelo ukuthi mfethu by saying my problem, by accepting my problem nami mhlawumbe ngizolithola usizo nami ngimfisela umuntu okuhle ukuthi naye eyalithola usizo because imizi yobabisele yodwa.
Yazi inkinga ngafana noyise sinayo abantu bayakwazi ukuthi bekhokhele i-DStv like le mali abayikhokhela yona ngenyanga kodwa kuyinkinga ukuthi bakhokhela i-channel u20 rand ngenyanga ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi ikhule isiza abantu kusizakala abantu abaningi.
Singacela kakhulu kulokho ngoba kubhlungu kakhulu. Singacela kakhulu ukuthi sibe nabantu abangayeseka le program because the program le sifuna ukuyenza something big. Sifuna le program ikwazi ukuthi ingirecruit mina ngoba into yaqala wena professor waqala wangipicturishela i-idea ukuthi why am I calling you here because mina I wouldn't say I'm a genius but I like to know why did you choose me? Why are you like ngabe mina ngiyaqhubeka ngenzela ubosheweshe bami lapha kodwa ngathi mina cha no let's do this, man. It's the right thing I could do. Ngisase emgaqweni.
Yeah, angithi mina ngikholelwa ukuthi isiZulu ngikholelwa kakhulu kusomna bafu. Masithi indlela ebuzwa kwabaphambili sengayisho abantu abadala kuphela. Kodwa kusho
kuyo abaphambili ngokwempilo ngoba ungaba mdala kodwa manje uthola ukuthi
akazi ungene
awazi lutho cha awazi lutho ngestrad leso uhamba kusona. Lestrad mina ngilala kusona. Lestrad mina ungangibuza ngibhekele ukuthi Fisher Street Point ungephi. Yeah,
because yabona phakathi kwabantu abahlala emgaqweni nabantu abahlala endlini bekunoqhekeko. Ngicabanga ukuthi iMP TV1 into yokuqala ehlanganisa abantu basendlini nabalala phandle. Into yokuqala umlando lo kahle kahle.
iMP TV1 mina bengifisa ukuthi kube ichannel engathola more of the sponsors because yazibaningi abantu abakhathalela impilo kaSinawana kuyikona ukuthi nifika with different period khona labantu ekusu HIV TB care.
Yeah,
yazi lapha abantu balwela ukuthi noma uSinawana bangajova noma bangaphema kanjani kodwa HIV TB they are securing that part ukuthi they even rather provide them with free injections in order for them not to spread. Awucabanga MPTV ukube imangase kuthiwa i-associate nalabo bantu ihlangane nalabo bantu in order for us mhlambe mina ongahlanganisa MPTV no HIV TB care. Those are two like HIV TB care naye uyi program enkulu when on the health department part and it's helping a lot because uSinawana basafi ngendlela kade befa ngayo bebulawa iTB ne-HIV. Yayibona into le. So can you imagine ukuthi iMPTV nayo
kumele ngibabone labo bantu
cause bangaba usizo kakhulu nakuthina ngoba bewusizo mina wethu if mina ke nginenkolelo ukuthi mengakhohlela ka-3 there's a problem. Yabona nto le ngiyayitshena ngiyapampa kodwa anginalutho cabanga phezulu mina ngingikhohlela ka-3 mina ngiyobona umuntu ogulayo. Yabona nto le umuntu ogulayo ngiseklinikhi indlela simbiza ngayo thina njengoSinawana. Yabona nto le so manje ibona abantu engikwazi ukuthi ngingene khona so asterisk government zawumfoka ngaleka manje ngithi ngithi wemphathi cause ekuse lento unawe wayibona ukuthi there's a human ngale kwephara.
Nanani mina into engayifuna ivision yami kakhulu mfowethu ukuvala imbobo yokungena. Iyona into engifuna ukuyizama ukudlula yonke into
ngicela ukuthi
ukuvala imbobo yokungena.
Ngicela ukuthi uthi ivision yethu. Don't say it's your own vision because my bra iwungamanga singeze la eSouth Africa. South Africa could be a very beautiful place.
Yazi
ukuthi mangase kuthiwa bonke bahlangana wonke inkabi ihlangane ngempela inkabi ihlangane silwe nendaba yokuthi lawo maweshe lobuweshe bawo abuze kusizwe sethu. Lokho ikona protect hake kumzali lokho. You can be overprotective ngalokho. Yazi bathini inkabi zase Fryhead amanye amadolobha wabafu yazi iwongana mekhona yazi kodwa badlalela ku Richards Bay about 2-3 wayedwa asikhathi ngangikhona ngo2017 ngizobasha baleke sebona bakuzane bayona nangiyona ingabe hamba ibhambabula hamba ishawa mina yabona
ukaphansi
papa me Fryhead ngiyazanywa la kuthiwa ufake kumele uhambelana thando lomzali sithola isonto lana ngathi kuthiwa bathi clean nawe umana ngomani masonto akhe ngizongiklinani ngoba ngiyazi mina into engiklinayo la is methadone and ngithole psychological help yabo lonto le then
yazi khona umuntu othe wena ayikho rehab yokusiza kodwa iwona uyikhipha kulento ngendlela ohlakaniphe ngayo
and
even ufike
umuntu uyiqiniso kakhulu because uSinawana uyi rehab njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi bafo sina cancellation lo way too powerful because manje umuntu usuke ekutshena ngayo
Yeah.
Esiprami ungasengayiyeka 30 times. Imini uphangaleka lo. Uyikona usizime bengiyiyeka ngazo. Yabona?
Yeah.
So ngiyiyeka ngendlela ebuhlungu mina. Hayi. Ade ngiboshiwe, ake ngishaya uzolo. Awu madoda. Awu.
So ubuyela kwa.
Solo wami lo kubuyela ngami lapho. Ngingakusazi nada solo. Yabona? Into efuna usinawana in order to overcome the drug thing ukuthi get him busy ngale ndlela yabo the Mp TV.
Yeah.
Me, I like being busy by educating.
Yeah.
That's why I am a teacher, even though I wouldn't practice my profession every day, but as we say, I'm practicing morely with now.
Yeah.
Ngoba by this ngiyakholelwa ekuseneni education, my bro, and with people listening me there and nabo besho ama thoughts abo besho ama views abo singakujabulela ukuthi umuntu akusho as an individual ukuthi me I have a problem wenza kanje mfoka ngaleko ungathini kulokho wena.
Yeah.
Cause nami umfoka Cwabe usangifunela usizo. If you feel like there is something that you feel Mp TV could be still around, please, like put in that no matter how small, if it's coming from your heart, you don't know how much difference it's gonna make into my life, into our hours. Sibaningi stipendile wena mfoka Mkhize. Uma ngaba khona usuku ngingakuboni ngalo ngiba novalo. Angeke ngiqambela manje.
Yeah.
Into sengiyirealizile nje with this 5 days.
Umnqobi omunye ozozongifuna ngawo 9 ebusuku ngiyangibona.
Bafo angikhuleki because bethu ngiyakholela ukuthi uma kukhona uHIV care kukhona Mp TV.
Ithemba likhona lokho.
Bafo noma ngasanibali nama individual nina kodwa with having i-backup yenu noba u2 fethu mina ngiyayibona ngishintsha.
Hayi uzoshintsha wefana noyisi okay ukutshelela umnqobi ukuthi kunomama ufuna ilist yabantu abafuna ukuyeka idakamizwa lokhu yena la ube uyibona bayekisa usli ungifuna ilist so
sizobhala lo list ufangale kubo uqala kuyona mfowethu ngoba singawuzile bafo singipemile mina
okay before sivale manje ngoba isidla amaningi esakeni kune space kunembobo between abazali nezingane. Abazali since siyindle eminyama singabantu abasebenzayo, sivuka ekuseni semsebenzini size sibuye ntambama. Ingane imini yonke kulesi space ngisemsebenzini isuke nethuba eliningi nabangani futhi ngisuke ngeke eduze kwayo kuyiqapha noma ngibe yiso kuyona, okwenza ukuthi igcina kuvuleleka imbobo yokuthi noma ngabe ingane siyiqalile idakamizwa kuzima ukuthi umzali ayibone ubona sekulate vele sigaxele sekunzima
ukuthi ayiphule
isuswe nezingxaba. Kungathini ukuphawula kwakho kulokho nabazali ababhekene nezinto ezinjengalezo?
Ukuthi umzali angakusebenzisa ukuthi ngathi ngisebenza kanzima yona ndona danko ngiphawona no asingakusebenzisi lokho. Kunalokho wena njengomzali mnikeze i-reason ukuthi why engeke asakwazi ukuthi enze something wrong behind your back. Wena be that friend ukuthi even though ngeke uzufane ne-PA yakhe umuntu okwi-age yakhe, but make sure ukuthi there isn't this space.
Ubaba ukwenzile nje kuwena lokho but still
ukwenzile lokho kodwa ekwenza lokho ekushendeza. Mina ngizalwa encitha buchopho malume phephetha ayizwa lonto.
Yeah.
So umuntu ongathi konike konke engakunikile konke yayibona so
like akakunikanga ukuba ingane
akanginikanga ukuba ingane ngoba bethi when you have me ubani ofuna ukuba ingane ebe yi-adult uyingane wena you are an adult wena uyayibona nto le azayi bawufika bayabazi abantu bayathanda ukuza kithi wena uprigenius wena uhlakaniphile wena ufana nobaba wakho bazoza abantu kwena uzobona maye bazobe becolela esangweni becela ibhayisekile becela ibhola becela
yazi lethi ifana na no-Michael Jackson kuthiwa wayekhala ngokuthi waduma emncane kakhulu so kwaphoqa ukuthi agade yikho esemdala ayehlala ney'ngane kakhulu wayezama ukukhava lento yokuthi akabanga ingane
lokho kuyenzeka kakhulu because mina uma ngihleli nendlovukazi yami kwasazane Valeni indodakazi yami is the most closest thing into my heart. My parents are, but as for the facts, I landed her into this manipulative Wesha world. So I wouldn't want her to be exposed into that Wesha crazy thing and all that shit. So what's there for me to be told? Because she never pictured me as a parent. So I show her loco. I love what you part. General, and so be it. Would say yes, this. As was quite when second day and it's one color whole day in face. So yeah, ingane yakilo izimpilo zakho.
Awucabanga ukuthi lapha lapho ngaba izizathu njengamanje sokuthi ubuyele empilweni yakhe ngempela ngoba kunendoda adi lapha ekuthiwa Undabe ithi into ngempela isimdriver kakhulu izingane zakhe iyona into yayisimdriver kakhulu nanokuthi akafisa ukuthi izingane zakhe ngokungabibikho eduze kwakhe zigcinele lapha nazo emgaqweni
ayikho into engayifisi njengaleyo cause konke lokho ngikublame kumina because ngiyayikho into engayazi about the streets and ayikho mina ngiyazi ukuthi what makes umuntu abhema
yeah
lento wena ongayazi uhlala endlini ngoba uthi zonke lezi zinto ziyafana
yeah
into oqala fanele uyibulale ukuthi izinto
kodwa manje obusemgaqweni ubani ozobulala izingane zakho lento
that's why you have to help me my brother. That's why I came into you for help. That's why I need Mp TV. That's why I need HIV TPK. So that this thing is big. Abanye abantu bangayibuka bayithathele phansi. Bafo mina ngijabulela ukuthi there is a person who believes ukuthi by me talking about my crazy addiction and how I don't feel like I'm done with it. I want to get out of it. Who's willing to listen? Me bra. That is a hell lot of help. Because abanye abantu badinga lo sizo ukuthi ngizwakala.
Cause manje angithi sifike sesibonga ukuthi okungenzeka ukuthi angingoba mhlawumbe okumele ube seyidakamizweni ngempela kodwa mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu wazi ukuthi since wena umuntu ogodi nohlakaniphile uma ungayidakamizweni uyothi uma ubuye uzokhuluma nabantu.
Of which I do believe that maybe that was the kind of a calling.
Ngenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe uyasetshenziswa.
Oh my God, sir.
Sokumele ubuye manje uzosiza ukuthi abantu bengangeni lapho kwangena khona.
Because what's yini le ngibambile ukuthi ngingaphumi ngempela awe uyibuze nawo phakathi kwami. Hearing umuntu was like this kind of a genius. Of which you say I never call myself a genius. I'll never do this.
I'm telling you.
I will never do this, my brother.
Because breaking record akaze lapho umuntu washaya 10,000 views within 5 hours. Yaqala ngqa. Isimanga
and futhi lokho isizwe sethu esizokwenza ukuthi lento ingabi waste of time. Because ngingaphoxeka kakhulu ukuthi kanti sina sifuna lesizwe sibe njani uma abantu abakhathalele izingane zenu nekusasa lezingane zenu nemibono yenu abafana no Mp TV mangase sibasha indiva
fethu ngoba yabona fethu mina in as much as indaba zohulumeni ukukhulunywa ngazo but ngikholelwa ukuthi umphakathi
wona uhulumeni
uact ufika uhulumeni mayefuna ukufika futhi mayafuna ukufika angeke simncane
ilento ekade ngisho ngithi mina uma ngase lithiwa baba noma bazali sizithina akangangeni uArost kulingaba naso yini sizwe siyoshawa iArost angisho ukuthini angisho ukuthi khona kumele kwenze cha ngithi mina uma ngase
bangashawa istrike mfowethu ungayiwa ngisho emsebenzini ugovernment athi
mfowethu ifryhead meke bamthola ama owner khona iweshe lidayisa bayayinqumela lona athi thina asinazi ingane izoba ama-drug addicts lento mingekho around akadli insangu
iphosha 15 ngiyazama futhi
akadli insangu le ayibona and futhi this matches azama-paraphrase lapho mancane kanjani mfethu abafana okuyithina phela mawashesha iphumele eThekwini mina program laphana bengenza boma 2 blocks something ngekhagadi
ngoba into engandini
because abantu abakhagadela ukuthi bayodla ngempela yafika weshe no-manipulative khanda la elisuke edubane likhuluma very polished English like them like indawo exposed ke amabhono stuff yabona because indawo enamaplus and ayikho into ethandwa yingisi njengokuthi phakamise
ukhothamela
sewehlela ngezansi awu manje ngumaster kwesokuqala manje ngimnikeze le nto ayifuna so already liyafika la ifryhead lizongilanda khali inyembezi umama ungizalayo wathi indodana yami ikhuluphala kangaka emgaqweni kodwa athi kodwa izinto zami kodwa mama wamoda angithi mina ngizoshebula list you're not losing me that my I am losing you now. How come you are so relaxed kanje? Mina no. When wazali ngisabuchopho wena.
Aha.
Mina ngizoba nendlela ukuthi ngibe nesinkwa. Nokuthi ngingakhathazi wena. Yayibona lonto ngoba wena unomndeni. Onempilo eqhubekayo.
Uthi unempilo eqondile.
Mfethu. Fanele ube selfish ufuna ukuthi ngoba abanye bethu babhemile ngaleyo selfishness ukuthi azu umuntu abe selfish lokunga-understandeki baba ngithanda ubani yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo izinto wena efanele udile nazo as a parent in order for yena ukuthi angafile ngathi yazi ama-family issues nama-family affairs izinto ey'thathwa kancane izona ekufuze ngabe usiyithatha more seriously because izona ezenza ilahlekelwe
wefana
lo uthandayo but
uyakholelwa nokuthi uhlakaniphile
okuzwana nokuhlangana no-Professor Mayezelo Ocwabe but ngiyakukholelwa lokho
uyakholelwa nokuthi ukucabangeni ukuthi ukufa kwakho ngoba ukufa lokho okukhona mawuphuma lapho uzobuphinde uzalwa kabusha isibili uyakholelwa nokulokhu kufa kukho lokhu ukuthi baningi abantu abafayo ngoba kufe wena
ngiyakwazi lokho mfowethu
like mangathi uyavuka zingakanani izingane esingathi masihambele izikole ukhulume nazo
ngikhuluma phambi kwazo mfethu sizibona ushintsho lenzekile kimina ngoba angithandi ukuthi ngilikhulume kanje ushintsho bafo nami khona ngikwenzayo hayi ukuthi ngilinde ukuthi umvuka mkhiza zafike nale angisabhemeli no sengibhema ngoba unalobuhlungu mfethu sengikwazi ukuthi ngithi uma ngivuka ngikwazi ukuthenga ukuvuka ukuthenga ubuthongo
sizokwazi ukuthi simthole umuntu ozokusiza
abantu kancane cause ngiyabhilivela ekutheni abantu that are out there kusezandleni zabo futhi ukuthi iMP TV nami njengomvuka ngaleka nginikezwe ithuba ukubona ngiyohlale ngikucela lokho ukuthi siyacela ukuthi sibone le vision le cause lana we are not dealing with me as an individual. We're dealing with me, we're dealing with nawe wena onothandiweyo wakho okuphunyukayo mhlawumbe ngokukhuluma nangokuzwa lesisoni li-edit eliyimi ngenzeka mhlawumbe wena usizakale mina ngingakasizakali
hloli bayasizakala abantu bayasizakala
siyacela ukuthi
bayafona
nabo abantu basize sikwazi ukuthi lento ibe impumelelo lento ibe into ekholinywa ngayo usuku nosuku in order to overcome lento enquma i-minutes ne-minutes isizwe sethu ngiyema lapho
uke wangixoxela ukuthi wewasha amanzi waphuza mawula kuphela yini anti nihlala kanjani afana sapho
ngizizwe matasa kakhulu kangangokuthi njengoba kade ngikutshela ukuthi into ebangela ukuthi ngibe late namhlanje uma kufika umetro booth kuyasha lapha ya
akona umetro rato ufikile lapha
but uSAP wahamba wonke amaphoyisa lapha ndawo kade khona
ayizilezi eyinqumayo leziya ziyanquma kulezi insuku
leziyana ilezi eyinqumayo na umetro phela uyaba khona ngohamba nje phela ngithi senginesidumbu umetro angithi wona lo omphakathi so wona lo othi akubulawe ukulala lapho anthina silahla mina khona yabo siyingabe thina engasalala nakhona salala impela ngalo akusekho ukulala okuhle okukhona lapha
senami uqoba nje
hayi siyabeka phela khona lapha ngoba yona indawo umgododo cashisa ingozi mama ngifika umuntu umuntu uzoshisa umchoice wami madoda ngibuya la khona bayangiza ngapha ubona nje umuntu dawe ngathi ungena esikhoweni samawashe ngishaya isidudla wena ngiyakutshena wena kubuya la khona angikwazi ukuthi ngalahlekelwa kanje yayizibona so we can make it a joke as much kodwa my bro
it's set
that's I am more worried about ingubo as ukuthi mina izumfoka ngaleka chabe ungangibona lapho ngigqokile intuli u3 days ngisengifunenye because I don't njengoba ngiphanza nge-recycling I recycle everything clothes I wear angenalo ikepisi for the past 2 days nekepisi lahli blazer iblazer lifike kusuku lokulashwa manje
le blazer uthi uyithatha
le blazer lena mphathe frank angizame ngelinye ngoba ngiyithi uzoyithanda mayikhuluma ithi yayibona lonto le kahle wena
ngizokubuyisela kumasudi but mina sinqobo
kodwa ke manje phela angeke kwazi ukufaka amasudi sicakekile
siwafakele ehlathini
no ngeke sikwazi ukufaka amasudi siwafakele maskandi cha phela sekusele lokho ngoba phela ngangi-gentleman and futhi ngazalwa i-gentleman ngofa ngiyi-gentleman ngoba ngiyowazala namanye ama-gentleman
like sesikhoqa mfowethu isidla amaningi ufuna ukuthini mfowethu kubantu abakwaziyo ubaba wakho uma wakho just nje ukugoqa nje
bengicela ukuthi kube laba abangaziyo ngoba ngiyinsizwa edume kakhulu mhlawumbe wena oqalayo ukuthi uclick you were supposed to do that a long time ago because this is a good thing that you're doing here so into engayisho ukuthi So my loved ones, bangayibuki lento kambi as if like mina I have accepted ukuthi
awuzile ukuzobreak.
No, angizile ukuzobreak, angizile ukuzoduma. Mina ngibona ithuba lokusiza abanye njengoba bengazi bona ukuthi bangizala ngumuntu kanjani and ngumuntu kanjani futhi iziphi ifiso zami. Bengathanda ukuthi kube yibona ababa more supportive to this program than bona bonke abantu and ukuthi bona and ungiphatha kabi ukuthi I never even like tell yabona because I'm tired of being judged. Yabona?
Yeah.
Mp TV and the program as a whole, I wanted it to be a surprise. Yabona? Yeah. Of which I'm not gonna tell until they click. So if they're not gonna click, they're not gonna see this good I'm doing. Of which ucwabe kuphela shothi ukholelwa ekutheni we're doing something good here.
No, mina ngiyakholelwa kulento bafu. Uyazi nanabantu indlela abafona ngayo mfowethu.
Nami mfowethu ngiyakholelwa kulokho because izinto ongikhombisa zona ziyimfundo kumina. Ngiyakuthanda ukufunda mina mfowethu.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuthanda ukufunda ingakho ngithi ukufunda nokufundisa imina loyo mfowethu.
Kuzomeleke ubuye uzolandela i-calling yakho ngendlela right. Nina bendluzeni nophaphe ekhanda kamenzi into abakulelele lo muntu omemeza ngathi yakhalela ukuthi igula lika Jamal lichithekile. Nina bakaMpudu ubomvu ushe ngegazi. Nina bakadalinyebo awu nina bakamakhosi TV le phansi eSwatini. Nina awubohlanya bathi liyahlala indlondlobele libeke isihlange emadolweni. Nina bakadalinyebo nina bakazukulwane bakaphalo abazukulwane bakaphalo ngapha ezantsi bafowethu. Ngiyabingelela ndawo zonke kona konke nje amakhosi bafowethu. Asikwazanga ukuthi phela sibingelele singene savele nje sahlala ongathi nje mphazamisile ngabudlala ngami le ndoda ifike late nge-hour actually uthi umuntu abe late nge-hour khona nje ukuba late lokho
kahle kwayona nje ukuthi ijwayele impilo yesikhathi ijwayezwe wena gcwabe fanele usho ukugcwale lokho.
Yeah, so bafowethu
manje ke sesiya understand ukuthi time is very crucial nowadays.
Sebenza ngesikhathi. So bafowethu mangabe uyaqala ukubuka ke ngale episode, this is episode 141, part 2 is 140, part 1 it's 139. Ngenzela ukuthi makuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi nje ungenele phezulu usibambe ngomsini impela usibambe sesiyosithela. Uma ngabe usamfuna for part 4 ngicela i-drive yinina lena ka part 4 ngoba mina ayikho into esenzoyibuza. Uyabhala ngaphansi uthi akabuye for part 4 bese kusho ukuthi yini ofuna ukuyeza ukuze mayebuya sizokwazi ukuthi sisebenzele kulo mbuzo kuyona. Nani niyabona i-genius lena i-fluid iphuma ngaphi ngena ngaphi iphuma ngaphi ngena ngaphi umbuza lokho agquma hlala khona umbuzo lokho agquma kuhlala khona. So bafowethu mangabe ke ubungakabi ingcenye siyacela usubscribe ucindezele nebhele ucindezele ibhele kuzokubeka emathubeni ukuthi makhona isiqephu esisiposayo yonke enqezo ocingweni lakhe ukuthi mawungena ngaphakathi bese kuyitholela isiqephu sangalelo suku. Siyacela abantu bejoin i-membership. I-membership izofezekisa. Siyazi abantu abayi-understand into
lento inkulu
sekuphele mhlawumbe 4 months manje ngiyinqanqa manje sengicabanga ukuthi ngiyiyeke because bengicabanga ukuthi sithi abantu
kuyisupport because nami soqhubeka sispread iword. Nami I do believe ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukuthi bayizwe lento ngami.
Yeah, cause
of which abanye abaclose kakhulu nami ngathi ukuthi thina saziwa abantu thina sixoxa nabantu who are mostly powerful who are driving S classes man of Mercedes or S500s or Mohammed or Dr. Mohammed. Abantu abaclose kakhulu empilweni yami. Abantu engithi mangikhwehlela athi angibhalele athi hamba esikala pharmacy.
Yeah.
Uthenge lo muthi mangingeyibuka imali anginayo. Yazi ngizoyeka HIV TB care. Buye ibangizame kanje. Uyayibona lo nto le bese lokho abesiyakhala wenze njani? Ngithi mina ngenze kodwa sengi-right. Thank you very much. So, of which that is very, very dangerous, my bro. Because like we need to like pay more attention into raising and like our health, my bro. Our health still matters. Our life still matters. Like, guys, we need them sponsors, we need them people to back this kind of a thing, to back. This is a beautiful thing, man. This is a beautiful thing. If you are opposing, then you should see ucabanga, should see wena should awuyibona umzali.
Ngoba phela ngithi bona ngoba bengenalo ithuba lokuba
nengane namhlanje azingathi kangaphela. Yazi kangaphela because like if it's like you making me like
hayi la mele uphinde ubuye ngiyayivala manje 120 ingeke manje 1 hour 20 minutes ubani ozohlala isikhathi
esingaka. That is nothing, man. That is nothing in the code that you're doing, my brother.
Hayi mina njengo professor ngingwamkhize ngidabuka phansi kwanongoma esigodini sakabheka umthetho ngasohlanga uthina kamandlakazi sangincenga.